Department for Constitutional Affairs. The Department for Constitutional Affairs (DCA) was a United Kingdom government department. Its creation was announced on 12 June 2003 with the intention of replacing the Lord Chancellor's department. On 28 March 2007 it was announced that the Department for Constitutional Affairs would take control of probation, prisons and prevention of re-offending from the Home Office and be renamed the Ministry of Justice. This took place on 9 May 2007. It was primarily responsible for reforms to the Constitution, relations with the Channel Islands and Isle of Man, and, within England and Wales, it was concerned with the administration of the courts, legal aid, and the appointment of the judiciary. Other responsibilities included issues relating to human rights, data protection, and freedom of information. It incorporated the Wales office and the Scotland office, but those offices remained the overall responsibility of the Secretary of State for Wales and Secretary of State for Scotland, respectively. After the 2005 general election, it gained additional responsibilities for coroners and conduct of local government elections in England. Departmental executive agencies and public bodies, Her Majesty's Courts Service for England and Wales, Public Guardianship Office for England and Wales, Tribunals Service, Official Solicitor and Public Trustee, Legal Services Commission, Land Registry. Legislation enacted by the Department. This is a list of Acts of Parliament enacted since 1997 that gave powers to the Department of Constitutional Affairs. Constitutional Acts. Compensation Act 2006, Criminal Defense Service Act 2006, Inquiries Act 2005, Constitutional Reform Act 2005, Mental Capacity Act 2005, Gender Recognition Act 2004, Courts Act 2003, Common Hold and Leasehold Reform Act 2002, Land Registration Act 2002, Freedom of Information Act 2000, Access to Justice Act 1999, Data Protection Act 1998, Human Rights Act 1998, Election Acts, Electoral Administration Act 2006, European Parliamentary and Local Elections Pilots Act 2004, European Parliament Representation Act 2003, European Parliamentary Elections Act 2002, Political Parties, Elections and Referendums Act 2000, Representation of the People Act 2000,